Here we are, Big Al's VW rat rod over at VW Cocoa headquarters. Just here, I've been welding away again this morning and this afternoon, and this is what it looked like when it started. I'm obviously reverse of it because this is one I haven't done yet. My horrible bird shit welding. Nothing a grinder can't sort. I'm left with a big open hole through there. It goes right through into the front of the car. So what I've done on this side is I've started, well, that's the outside. I'll start plating in there. There's a big plate there, it goes all the way down. Sealed up all the way around. And then boxing it in on that side. And that, I'm reckoning, is looking pretty good. Just a piece to put in there to seal that up, and that's the front of the back of the car sealed, which is what I need. So that is absolutely bloody banging. Absolutely love it. So literally a small patch in there, cut it to shape, probably make a template with a Kellogg's box, bit of cornflakes here, make that up and then weld that one in. And I'll be happy with that, and I can see daylight through there. There's a pinhole there on the outside. But that don't matter. It's a rat rod. Tom will put some sealer over it anyway when the paint is ready for whatever I do with paint. It's going to look spot on. But yeah, that's about 3 hours work today, I think. And that's absolutely bloody banging. I love it. Following the line all the way down through. There's 3 pieces there, and one there, it was a bit short, so I had to put another piece in, and then just up there, the tiny little triangle. I didn't realise it would go up that high, but it does. But that's that, and that's all the way down through now. It's amazing what a grinder can do to bad welds. Well, not bad welds, but not nice looking welds. It looks so good now. Oh, well chuffed. That's good. I should duplicate it on that side. I'll trim that a bit more, I think. Make it look a bit better. And then do exactly the same this side. And it will be fine. Absolutely banging. Right, on that note, I shall leave you there, and just to say, we're getting there.